go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. My birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
You happy birthday! I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday! God bless! Guys, ano masaya sa birthday mo?
Happy birthday po! God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po! Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday! It's your birthday! It's your day! Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy and blessed 60th birthday, Ate Arlene. Many more birthdays to celebrate and blessings to count on. All the best, especially good health and safety all the time. God bless you and your family always. We miss you and Kuya Bong. God loves you more than we do. Greetings from England!
Cheers, Ate Arlene!
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Lola Arlene. More birthdays and blessings to come. God bless you po. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Tita Arlene. Happy birthday. I wish you nothing but happiness, peace, good health, and lots of money. Happy birthday. We love you. Mwah.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Sana ngayon nakaarawan mo enjoy ka at sana marami pang blessings ang dumating sa buhay mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Tita! God bless!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Arlene! Today is your special day and kahit di tayo magkasama ngayon, we want to celebrate this with you.
Ate Arlene, wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Enjoy your 60th birthday and God bless you always.
Or one of the funniest, Tita. And sana mas marami pang blessings and happiness ang dumating sa inyo.
We hope you spend this wonderful day in the most happiest way possible. Happy birthday, Tita Arlene.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Tita!
birthday! God bless!
Hello sis, happy birthday. 60 years old ka na pala. More birthday. Parang di ka nagkukurang. Ang wish ko, umabot ka pa ng 100 years para may makawa kang 100,000 sa gobyerno natin. Good luck. Happy birthday, sis. More birthday. Ingat palagi. Love you, sis.
Happy birthday, Arlene! Happy 60th birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Arlene. God bless, Arlene. Love you, sis. Good health. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming
Happy birthday, Ate Arlene. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay laging malusog at mahabang buhay. Ngayon na iyong birthday, naway gabayan ka ni Lord sa oras-oras at araw-araw na iyong gawain. God bless you. I love you.
Hello, Arlene. Nandito kami. Binabati ka namin ng iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, Arlene. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay lagi kang healthy. Ito kami nag-alaga ng apo. Sakon. Banding-banding tuwing hapon. Ikaw naman. Ito ang aming apo si Etsy Boy. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola. Lola, magbago ka na, Lola. Sa iyong kaarawan, naway marami ka pang ang perang maipon. Tapos pag-uwi mo rito, ay masaya. Masaya ka? Pati na kami, masaya. Kaya magpalakas ka dyan. Ha? Huwag na yung mga bisyo-bisyo. Walang mangyayari sa buhay mo niyan. Isipin mo, ang buhay natin ay pansamantala lang. Kaya huwag mo nang sirain pa yung buhay natin. Ay binigay ng Diyos. Kaya sa mga bisyo na ginagawa natin sa ating buhay. Kaya palakas na tayo, mag-ingat. No? Para sa ganon, karoon tayo ng buhay. Punta natin si Mama doon. Ito si Mama. Buhay na buhay pa si Mama. Sama-sama tayo pumunta na sa Bicol. Para maging maganda, maayos. Ayan. Thank you.
Thank you, Arlene. Happy birthday.
Hello, my dear sister. Congratulations! Ngayon ko lang nalaman, you are now a certified senior citizen. Wow, congrats. Avail mo yung mga discount dyan, ha? Mag-enjoy ka na lang. At magbago ka na, tagurang ka na, hoy. May i-travel mo na lang yung pera mo. Hindi kung saan-saan mo dinadala, okay? Basta enjoy mo na lang buhay. Life is too short and enjoy life to the fullest, okay? I love you and miss you. Mwah.
Here we are. What are you gonna say, baby? Happy birthday, Tita. Oh, happy birthday, Ate Arlene. All the best. Ingat lagi. Huwag pababayaan sarili. Sana lagi kayong malakas, laging keep always healthy. Huwag pababayaan yung sarili nyo. Mahirap puro trabaho. Kailangan mag-happy rin. So sana uwi kami ng Pilipinas. Sana nga magkita-kita tayo uli. Ingat kayo dyan. At saka kayo ni Kuya Bong. Kumusta lang kay Kuya Bong? Mag-iingat. Palaging kakain ng healthy food. Okay? Mahirap pag pababayaan yung sarili. Kailangan lagi tayong malakas. Laging merong pagkain.
Hello! Happy birthday, Ate Arlene. Ang kapatid kong matulungin, malalahanin, mapagbigay. Lalo na sa aming pamilya at sa kanyang mga kapatid. Ang wish ko sana sa iyo, aking ate, sana'y maging malakas ka, malusog, walang anumang karamdaman. Sana'y marating mo yung mga pangarap na hindi pa nakakamit. At isa pa ay sana'y mag-ipon ka para sa iyong pagtanda ay happy ka. Happy tayo. Happy birthday aking kapatid na Ate Arlene. Love you.
Birthday, Arlene.
Happy birthday, Arlene.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Sabi mo tagay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lula. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ay, maldita pa din. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello tita, happy 60th birthday. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat dyan palagi. My birthday ko to kam.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama. Wish you all the best. Hope you enjoy your birthday. God bless you always. Bye-bye. Love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Hola Motik, hello, good morning. I know it's your birthday today, so happy birthday to you. You're 60 now, so sana it's time to think a plan for our nearly retirement. Naunawaan ko naman na minsan gusto mo ring maglibang, but not take it seriously. I mean, magdamag kang magpupuyat, tapos papasok ka pa sa umaga. Alam mo naman na it's bad for your health because you're not young anymore. But after all, I love you. So happy birthday again, and hope for your good health and long life. We love you all, okay? Happy birthday.